All right. Hi, my name is Jesse Swift. I am an engineering teacher here at Golden High School. And what I want to do today is share with you really quickly some of the engineering and STEM options you have as a freshman student at Golden High. So, first off, we have a lot of different engineering classes to take, and we have a few STEM classes. I'm going to go through the engineering and then the STEM options that we have. All right, first off is Engineering 1. This is what I call iSTEM's greatest hits. And if you are an iSTEM student, these classes or this class wouldn't apply to you. You would have probably already covered all this content. Mr. Schlosser would have taken care of you and taught you all the things that you need for this class. So if you're coming to Golden High School as an iSTEM student, you can take any of the following classes. There's Engineering 2 class, which is a class that takes engineering standards like human-centered design process and applies it to several really big life or real life engineering projects. We do engineering challenge with Red Rocks Community College and Mines Academy, and then we also do something called the High Altitude Balloon Project, where the students design payloads with Arduinos and sensors, and then send the payloads up to. This past year, we got up to 86,000 feet. That is a year-long class. Another option is mechanical engineering, and this is a class designed around teaching students the properties or principles of mechanical engineering through the lens of bicycles. So you'd learn all about bicycle frames, you'd learn about bicycle products, you'd become certified in CAD SolidWorks, and then the second half of the semester, you actually make your own bamboo bicycle. If you're into CAD, we have several CAD pro classes. There's a 3D solid modeling and a CAD class, which is 2 semesters, and this is all in Onshape. We also offer an aerospace engineering course, which is a really exciting. They learn everything from aeronautics and rockets. So if you're into aerospace engineering, this would be a really great class for you to take. We also offer a biomedical engineering class. In this class, you learn about prosthesis, you learn about crime scene investigation, DNA, and all other types of engineering, but that has to do with kind of the human body. There's also a digital electronics robotics class. So if you really enjoyed working with coding and working with robotics and Arduinos, uh, this would be a class that you'd want to take. Now, there's another class that I teach, which is AP Computer Science. And this is a class that's open for 9th through 12th graders. So if you're into programming, you could get college credit for this class and it is a year long. So you would get, by the end of the year, hopefully you would take the AP test and pass that and get some college credit for it. So if you're into kind of more advanced programming, this would be a class that you would want to take. We design apps and we learn about computer science principles. Now, one of the STEM classes that I teach is called Makerspace. And Makerspace is really just a class that's open where you come in and you get to decide the products or projects that you want to work on. So I have all different types of things kids are doing. I have kids that are doing crafts, making candles and soaps. I have other kids that are designing stuff like stickers. I have also kids that are really into CAD, so they're making 3D printed boats. So it's just really a class that you can come in and take, and you kind of work on design projects that you like to work on. And that is a semester only, but you can take it several times, and it is for all grade levels too. Now, as a senior, this might be something that you're interested in. It's called the STEM Capstone and Diploma. This would be something that you would work towards through your high school career. You would spend the whole year dedicated to one science or engineering project, and you'd be working independently and participating probably in the Denver Science and Engineering Fair. So if you're into something, good morning. If you're really into something, you can really spend a whole semester doing it. Now, when you graduate this class, you'll have a special CAPS or STEM diploma, and you can actually skip over certain classes in college, depending on the college, but you can actually earn kind of college class credit for this class too. But that's years away as you become a senior. So um, I have this really quick breakdown, kind of as you're going through ninth through 12th grade. These would be the classes that you have. If you're coming into Golden High School with any um, STEM or engineering background, you can always start with Engineering 2 or any of these Engineering 3 classes. You could take CAD, 3D solid modeling, computer science, makerspace, and then as a junior, there's a lot of options, or as a senior, there's a lot of options at Warren Tech. And then eventually, too, if you're really into STEM and science and engineering, you could take this capstone class. So I hope that's helped you answer some of the questions that you have about engineering at Golden High School. Uh, if you have anything more specific, please email me. Again, my name is Jesse Swift, and my email is jaswift@jeffcoschools.us. And Mr. Schlosser's there. He'd be happy to help you too. He's a good guy and wants to make sure that all of his students gets placed correctly next year. So good luck. Hope to see you around the halls of Golden High School. Thank you.